Well, so they dumped that out already, so yeah, done with that. Coming back now. This is in the back.
Alright, so I just backed the trailer and now we're gonna see if that lawnmower will fit right here. Not, I can have a little bit of space right here to move it. Right in there. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, turn it off. That'll do. Alright, so, yeah.
We can't really do much without his friend Wyatt because he's wanting to do it too.
Huh?
Paint the trailer? We can't paint it today, sissy.
Good.
Okay, so we're not gonna paint it today, and we kind of just wanted to show you. We're not actually gonna do much yet. I'll video you. All right, guys.
All right, so that's all we have for today until my friend Wyatt comes over tomorrow, and he's gonna help us. Or what we're planning to do is cut some part of the exhaust off of that, make it just a little louder, and then we're gonna.
And make it faster.
Yeah, I don't know if I told you all this yet, but we're gonna try to talk our papa into letting us use those and lay it down in here, and maybe even stain it. Maybe I don't even know if we have any stains, but and then we'll probably clean it out and then take these off and put something there, not that.
Yeah.
Or we'll just sand it all down and then spray paint it.
Yeah, so, but his friend Wyatt's coming over tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, we're probably going to video tomorrow or Saturday, but the video will be posted on Saturday.
Yeah, so we tried to post Fridays. Well, for this project here, we're going to try to post every day. But, like, our daily vlog channel or whatever.
But it may take 2 days.
Yeah. Or it may be every other day or every other day. But, yeah, so just stay tuned and get us to our goal before 2022 is 100K subscribers. So, I hope we get there.
Yeah, and we're also going to air up these tires because they are flat.
No, they don't hold air. There's a hole in them somewhere.
So we're going to have to find new tires.
Yeah, we'll have to buy new wheels and tires because we've been driving on flats. So the rims are probably not the greatest.
Yeah, so we'll just yeah. So you guys will see us on Saturday. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Turn on those post notifications, and so just
Yeah. So yeah. So Saturday or Friday, maybe tomorrow.
we
Most likely.
today's
Saturday.
Thursday for us, but this will probably come out tomorrow on Friday, and then we'll have another one come out on Saturday.
Yeah.
We'll edit all night. Well, maybe not all night, but
We're probably gonna post this tonight.
hopefully, but maybe
Yeah.
not.
So
So if
bye,
you
guys.
see this, sorry, but if you just tell all your friends to come watch this, because this is going to be the best lawnmower video you'll ever see, hopefully.
Yeah. Making YouTube videos about our lawnmower. Do you not understand that? Will you like pull out the lawnmower and show him? YouTube. We've already done that 5 times.
I'm gonna pull it over there so you get that.
Oh, or I can, but whatever. Okay, so bye guys.